nuts.
Zinnia, king of the world! We're getting ready for the meat birds. She's helping tidy up the chicken room. She flew up there all by herself. Just what I want to see after my exam. Go, baby girl!
Don't fall off here and break your noggin there.
That would hurt a lot of people who are watching this video. Good girl!
She went up there for the express reason to do that. You know that, right?
I don't know, Dad. I think she did too. She's awesome. Listen to you talk. You're so happy, girl. Say hello, families. I don't do anything halfway, guys. I just don't. What do you do with people? You can go back up?
No, she won't be able to get the jump from there, I don't think. Maybe.
It's too squishy. Guys, I'm not helping her because I gotta step back and let her sort things.
Are you kidding me, Birdie?
She's totally safe.
I wouldn't go that far, but...
She's close to safe. She's a fledgling. She's a precocial fledgling. There you go. Some rehab her language. You guys are gonna get bored of this video in a second. I think it's close to cuddle time, but we gotta finish this basement real quick so we can get meat birds.
He's definitely close to cuddle time.
She's getting cranky. Alright guys, Zinnia says later.